In this lesson, we'll learn how to calculate area and volume of the sphere. The formula for finding surface area and volume of the sphere are given on the right hand side. Let us use these formulas to calculate surface area and volume of the sphere for question 1 to 4. For question 1, calculate surface area of a baseball where diameter of the ball is 9 centimeter. So let us write down the formula for surface area. For question number 1, surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Since we have diameter, we can find out radius of the sphere. Since diameter is equal to 9 centimeter, this means radius would be equal to diameter 9 divided by 2, which is going to give us 4.5 centimeters. So now when we have radius, we can find out surface area. Surface area of sphere would be equal to 4 times pi, that is 3.14, time r square means 4.5 square, and this is equal to 12.56 times 4.5 square is 20.25, and once we multiply both of these quantities, we have 254.34 squared centimeters. Because unit of length was centimeter, so the area will be in squared centimeters. For question number 2, this time we are required to find out surface area and volume of a hemisphere. Hemisphere is half of a sphere. So surface area of hemisphere is equal to area of the top circle or shell, area of top plus curved surface. So area of the top, because top is a circular, therefore its area will be pi r square, plus curved surface is for semi-sphere, it's half of the surface area of the full sphere. So this would be equal to 1 by 2 times 4 pi r square, and this is pi r square plus 2 pi r square. Let's add them up, and this will give us 3 pi r square. Now we can substitute the values for r. Since r is given that this is equal to 12 yards, this means surface area is equal to 3 times 3.14 times 12 square. This is equal to 3 times 3.14 would be equal to 9.42, and 12 square is 144, and when we multiply 9.42 with 144, the answer is 13 1356.48. 1356.48. Because its surface area, so it will be in square yards. Square yards. This is surface area for the hemisphere. And now if we want to find out the volume of hemisphere, volume of hemisphere is equal to half of the volume of the full sphere. So this is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. In other words, this will become 1 by 2 times 4 by 3 times 3.14 times 12 power 3. Now we simplify 1 by 2 times 4 by 3 times 3.14. What we get, the simplified number is 2.09 time, and 12 cube will give us 1728. 1728, and if we multiply, the answer we get is 3611. 3611.52 cubic yards, because its volume and r cube, it will be always cubic unit of length. Volume is always in cubic units of length. This will be cubic yards. Now for question number 3. For question number 3, what we are given is, in the question we are given what is radius of the sphere if given that volume of the sphere is 1225 cubic centimeter. Now given that volume of sphere is equal to 1225, this is given in what units of length? This is in cubic centimeters. So let's write this as cubic centimeters. But we know what is the formula for finding volume of sphere, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. If this is formula for finding volume of the sphere, then these both must be equal. This means that 4 by 3 pi r cube must be equal to 1225, and from here if we take the pi r cube equal to 1225 times 3 divided by 4, because anything on left side which was dividing will now multiply on right side, and 4 which was multiplying on left side will now divide. So this, and let's take one more step and divide pi on the other side as well, leaving behind r cube on left side. R cube will be equal to 1225 times 3 divided by, instead of pi we will write its value, which is 3.14, and 4 which was already there. And now upon simplification, what we will have is r cube is equal to the 1225 times 3 will be equal to 3675. 3675 divided by 12.56. 12.56, and when we divide The answer for r cube is equal to 292.56. 292.59. And taking cube root on both sides, taking cube root on both sides, cube root mean power 1 by 3 on both sides. What we have is r equal to 292.59 power 1 by 3, and this will give us value for r equal to 6.64. So this is how we can get radius of the sphere if we know the volume of the sphere. And for question number 4, what we are given is find radius of the sphere if the surface area of the sphere is 182. This time we are given surface area and we'll need to find out radius. So for question number 4, given surface area of sphere is equal to 182, and this is square meters, but surface area of sphere by formula is equal to 4 pi r square. That's how we calculate surface area of sphere. This means both of these must be equal. This means 4 pi r square must be equal to 182. In other words, r square must be equal to 182 divided by 4 pi, and for 4 pi what we get is r square is equal to 182 divided by 12.56, and this gives us value for r square equal to 14.49, and r is equal to square root of 14.49, and the value for r becomes equal to 3.8 meter. So this is value of radius of the sphere if we know what is surface area.